In order to earn money, you have to be able to solve a problem. And in order to know how to solve a problem, you have to have knowledge. So you have to be very deliberate and very protective of what you put into your brain. Only put good things in. What you put in is what comes out. That goes with everything. Also, if you put bad food in your body, then you get sick and you have low energy. But also with your brain, only allow good information to come in so that you can gain knowledge and be able to help people and solve a problem. That's how you make money. When we solve problems and help people with their problems, then we can earn money. So only allow good information into your brain. So don't be watching bad news and bad movies and play games. Instead, gain knowledge. Read books, learn from people who have what you want to have. Hope it helps. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.